Here's what we are using today. The funny touch sensor, which can turn any conductive object into a touch switch. There comes the power block. LED panel, which lights up in different colors. And what's cool about these blocks is, they just click into place like magnets. No soldering, no confusion, just snap and go. Here we have connected the ground wire and funny touch wires to the sensor, which are of different colors. Let's understand how this works. The funny touch sensor works on capacitive sensing, which means your body carries a small amount of electric charge. When you touch a metal wire connected to the sensor detects a tiny change in capacitance, basically a small change in electrical energy. But here's the important part. To complete the sensing circuit, you first touch the ground wire. Ground acts like the reference point or the home base for electricity. So the moment I hold ground and then touch any colored wire, the touch sensor detects which wire I touched. It sends a signal to the lead panel. And the panel lights up in the same color as that wire. Alright, here we go. As I touch the red wire, LED panel turns red, and similarly for other 3 colors. Do it yourself. Join our robotics course at Maker's Place. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos.